How to change your TikTok bio. Hello everyone, and let's get started. In order to change your TikTok bio, first of all make sure that you're logged in into your TikTok account. Once that is done, just tap on the TikTok icon and go to the profile. Once you do so, you will see an option called as edit profile. Tap on it and then tap on bio. You can just tap anything and type in on this section. Once you have done so, you can tap on Save button to save the bio. Or else, if you want to again change the bio, you can tap on Edit Profile and remove the previous contents. Now, if you go back to your profile and refresh the page, you can see your new contents or the new bio that you have set. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.